my special friends. Granny Grocer here today, and I'm from A Better Start's Fun Healthy Food program. I have lots of healthy and delicious foods in my store, and I wanted to introduce you all to them. Today, we give a warm welcome to Helpful Hummus.
Thank you so much for having me today. I hope I can be helpful to you and all the young listeners.
So, Helpful Hummus, can you tell us a little about yourself?
I would love to. I'm a type of dip made from chickpeas.
Dip made from chickpeas. Well, what is a chickpea?
This is what a chickpea looks like, Granny. It's also called a garbanzo bean, which is a vegetable that's part of the legume family, which means it's a helpful vegetable with protein in it to give us strong muscles.
Oh, strong muscles you do have. What makes chickpeas a legume?
Great question, Granny. They grow in a pod, just like beans and peas do, and then they are dried out. This is what they look like when they're growing.
Wonderful. Are chickpeas healthy?
Granny, yes, we are healthy. We are filled with protein that gives you strong muscles. We also have fiber that's good for your hearts and good for your stomachs. Chickpeas help you go to the bathroom. Number two, which is important for you and me to do.
Chickpeas give us protein and fiber. Can you tell me a little more about chickpeas? Are they used in any other foods besides hummus?
First, let me explain something to you, Granny. A bean is very hard and you cannot eat them raw or you'll get a tummy ache. First, you need to soak in water, then rinse and drain and cook in water for an hour or so they can get soft and then they can be eaten.
Fried chickpeas are hard and need to be soaked and cooked so they get soft? That seems like a lot of work.
It can be a lot of work, Granny. That's why you can buy us also in a can that looks like this. If you buy canned chickpeas, you want to rinse the top off of the can before you open it. Then you want to take the chickpeas and dump them into a strainer so you can rinse them really, really good underwater. Then, once they are cooked and soft, you can add chickpeas to stews and soups. You can also roast them for a snack. You can mash them up with other vegetables and ground nuts to make a veggie burger or falafel for those who do not eat meat burgers.
Well, thank you. Now, can you tell us how is hummus made?
It's very easy, Granny. I could be made by the cooked chickpeas from a can. Then, if you don't want to mash them and you have a blender, put me in a blender and mix me all up until I'm mashed really good. But remember, if you're using the can of chickpeas, you need to rinse the top off and then you need to rinse the chickpeas inside. Then, once you have your chickpea paste, you can add spices to taste like garlic or pepper.
How is hummus eaten?
Other healthy foods like celery or carrots or pita chips. You could even put it on a sandwich and add lettuce, tomato, cucumber. It makes a very tasty snack. You could also spread this on a piece of bread just like you would peanut butter.
Mmm, I see that in my store. Hummus is found in the refrigerated section. Does all hummus need to be kept in the refrigerator?
Great question, Granny. If you're buying chickpeas, they would be in the canned section of your store or the dry bean section. But once it's made into hummus, you do need to refrigerate it so it doesn't spoil. Remember, homemade hummus is quick and easy and tastes the best.
Oh, such great options. Thank you for coming today and giving us great information.
You're very welcome, Granny. But before I go, I have a joke for you. Why do you want chickpeas on the school choir?
Well, why?
Because they can hum us a great song.
Hummus, a great song. Oh, well, thank you, Helpful Hummus.
I hope you found me helpful, Granny, because if you did, that makes me really, really happy.
I sure did. Bye for now.